over here is the spacious living and dining area. Two parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. This over here is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Dream Nityanand by Dream Group of Companies located in Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. Also, this is the actual land parcel and the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. You can also have a 360 view of the project as you can see. Also, to my right, you can see the neighborhood and the main road of the project. The road to the left leads you to Teen Hath Naka and Eastern Express Highway, and the road to the right will lead you to Tip Top Plaza. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.6 acre that has one tower of ground plus 14 story having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now speaking of amenities, this project has all basic amenities like gym, indoor games, jogging track, kids play area and many more. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located near Teen Hath Naka behind Tip Top Plaza, Thane, from where upcoming metro is at distance of 1 minute, Eastern Express Highway is at distance of 1 minute, Thane railway station is at distance of 5 minutes drive, upcoming new Thane railway station is at distance of 2 to 3 minutes drive, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. Now, welcome to the 2 BHK of the residential project Dream Nityanand. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 677 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is the spacious living and dining area. You can see your living is very spacious. You can easily place a 3-side sofa, center table and customize your TV unit in the living area. Also, you will be getting full French windows with railings provided for your safety and a beautiful standing balcony view. Moving forward, over here we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy meals with your friends and family. Also, you can see you have plenty of walkable space in your living and dining area, and you will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. Moving forward, over here we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can see how spacious your kitchen is. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets in the kitchen. Also, you can see you have space provided to place your refrigerator in this corner and space provided to place your washing machine in the other corner. Again, in the kitchen, you have full French windows with railing for ventilation, safety and beautiful views. Moving forward, on this side, we have your alley area. To my left and my right is your bedrooms. First, over here we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And right beside your common washroom is a first bedroom. As we enter, you can see this is the space of your first bedroom where you can place your queen size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have plenty of walkable space. Again, in this bedroom, you will be getting full French windows with railing provided. And over here is your wardrobe space that is very spacious. You can also build lofts if you wish to. And now, before moving towards the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's enter the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you can see you have a foyer area that gives your bedroom privacy. And to the right of your entrance, you have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom. You can see your master bedroom is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed. Along with your side tables, you have plenty of walkable space provided. You can easily customize your TV unit, a study corner or a makeup corner. And you have two side ventilation. You can see a one window on this side, and over here you have full French windows with railing provided. Again, your wardrobe space provided is very spacious and tall enough if you want to build lofts in this wardrobe. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Dream Nityanand. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Dream Nityanand by Dream Group of Companies located in Thane.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.